Hello viewers, welcome to Fahmina's creation. Today I'm going to show you how to create this treble crochet or treble stitch. Treble crochet is slightly bigger than double crochet, and if you want to make your project really quickly or you want to make it longer quickly, then you can consider creating this treble crochet instead of double crochet. So let me show you how we can crochet treble crochet. So at first we'll yarn over twice on the crochet hook, then we'll put our hook through the chain space, pull through the yarn. There would be 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. There will be 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops again. There will be 2 loops left, yarn over and pull through all 2 loops. That's it, your treble crochet is ready. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over twice, put your hook through the chain space, pull a loop, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. The treble crochet is ready. So I'm going to create a double crochet and a single crochet to show you how bigger the treble crochet is in comparison to single crochet and double crochet. So you can see this is the double crochet that I've created. So treble crochet is almost double the size of a double crochet. So let's do a single crochet now. Again, single crochet, you can see it's like a pinch size, which is half of the size of a double crochet. So you can see now single crochet, double crochet and treble crochet all together, and you can see the differences in their size. So if you want to finish your project quickly, you can create treble crochet instead of double crochet. Sometimes your project needs different shapes, and then you need to make a treble crochet. One downside of treble crochet is that it leaves a lot of gap in between that you can see on the screen now. That's all. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope you found it useful. Please subscribe me and press the bell button for more videos like this. And also, if you have already subscribed me, don't forget to like and share this video with others. Thank you. Bye now.